If you're trying to join Jandel's server in the Roblox game Grow a Garden, I got you. In this video, I'll show you 3 easy ways to do it, step by step, super simple. Let's go. Method 1. Alright, here's the first way to try. Open Roblox and go to the home page. At the top, click the search bar and type Grow a Garden. Click on the game when it shows up. Scroll down until you see the Discord icon. It's in the social links section. Click that Discord link. It'll open the server in your Discord app or browser. When it asks, just click Skip on the bottom right. Then click Finish to enter the server. On the left side, find and click Announcements. In that Announcements channel, look for Jandel's profile picture and click on it. Now, send him a message like, "Hi Jandel, can I join your server please?" That's it. Now you just wait and hope he replies. Method 2. Here's another way, just in case Discord doesn't work for you. Open your TikTok app. Tap the search icon on the bottom or left side. Type in Jandel and search. Now here's the important part. Look for the account that has millions of followers and likes. There are a lot of fake ones. Once you're sure it's the real Jandel, tap on his profile. Then tap the message button at the top. Type a message like, "Hi Jandel, can I join your server please?" That's it. If he checks his messages, you might get lucky. Method 3. And the third way, this one's a bit of a waiting game. Go back to the Roblox homepage. Use the search bar and type Jandel. Click on the People tab and select the first Jandel account that comes up. Now, just keep refreshing his profile page every few minutes. Once it says he's playing Grow a Garden, a Join button will show up. Click that button as fast as you can, and boom, you're in his server. It might take a few tries, but if you're quick, you've got a shot. And that's it. Those are the 3 easiest ways to try and join Jandel's server in Grow a Garden. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you were able to get in. Thanks for watching, and good luck.